So progress report here on the house build. It's not really a cabin build anymore. It became a house. Got the sauna wall pretty much done. Now, yeah, I did some trim work just to make it give the place a little bit more perspective. Putting the roof on, a lot of work. Yeah, it's been getting a little bit hot recently, so around 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon it's a little bit difficult to do this work here. But that's what the roof is looking like. I just put in a ridge beam and posted it, put some ridge beams in, or put ridge beam in there. It's pounding boards up. I gotta reinforce them today. 12 footers and 10 footers, a little bit too long.